what if I told you that the one thing you need to do to successfully declutter your home is to create a to-do list, but that many of us are doing it wrong? Hello, decluttering warriors. Today I'm gonna walk you through the why and the how of creating a to-do list, and most importantly, how to stick with it. Let's jump right in. Many of us have a ton of clutter in various rooms of our home. We declutter a little bit here, maybe a little bit here, maybe a little bit over there, yet we just don't see a ton of progress. And this causes our stress to go up and our motivation to go down. This is because there isn't much of a system in the way that we do things. Rather, it's almost impulse-like. No wonder the clutter is taking over. This is something that I too encountered when I started my decluttering journey 7 years ago. I found myself putting in a ton of time and energy and just not seeing the results I was expecting. My body ached, yet the clutter remained. So how did I change that? Research suggests that creating a to-do list can enhance productivity. A study conducted found that creating a game plan and writing it down with what tasks and when it will get done increases the likelihood of the task being completed by 91%. So yes, a to-do list is essentially your roadmap for success. We often create to-do lists at work, errands we have to run, doctor's appointments that need follow-up. Yet where is our decluttering to-do list? A to-do list doesn't have to be elaborate or complicated. I absolutely love simplicity, both in my personal and my professional life. And a one-pager will suffice. You can even fit it on a Post-it. So how do you create an effective decluttering to-do list? To start, I want to discourage you from trying to jam-pack your to-do list with all of the areas of your home that need decluttering. That is a rabbit hole you don't want to go down. Talk about screeching to a halt real quick. Instead, you probably right now have a sense of what room would make you the happiest if you decluttered it. This is most likely an eye twitch area. For many of us, it's the kitchen, the bedroom, or the master closet. If you are not sure, let's do a little activity together. I'm going to ask you a question and you drop the answer in the comments below. This should be the first thing that comes to mind, so please don't overthink it. All right, ready? The room causing me the most amount of anxiety right now is fill in the blank. So now great, let's start with that room. One of the most successful ways to achieve a clutter-free home, and how so many of my clients have done it, is to go one room at a time from start to finish. Now that you have selected the room, you might still be feeling a smidge overwhelmed. The kitchen is probably looking like a huge project that you just can't imagine having enough time and energy to successfully complete. Well, this is the beauty of the right to-do list. Here's what you do. Break the space up into smaller sections. I call this bite-sized decluttering. It is much more manageable, attainable, and surely less overwhelming. Let's do an example together. So let's say you've selected your kitchen. You're going to break the kitchen down into smaller sections. So for example, countertops, upper cabinets, lower cabinets, junk drawer, utensil drawer, bakeware, under sink cabinet, kitchen table, fridge, freezer, pantry, and stove. This becomes your one-page to-do list. Then all you're going to do is pin your to-do list to your refrigerator. This will serve to keep you focused and on schedule. If you're getting value from my video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. And don't forget to sign up for our free virtual workshop where I teach you step by step how to create your personalized decluttering plan so you can achieve a clutter-free year. You can find more information and the registration link in the description. So now we understand how to create an effective, practical to-do list. Let's move on to actually sticking with it. Commit to how many days a week and how many hours you will be decluttering each week. This is not about how others are doing it. This is what works best for you and your lifestyle. Can you start with 3 days a week in 15-minute increments? Great, pencil that in. Can you do 2 hours every Sunday? Fantastic, write it down. Maybe you're ready to be ruthless and are committing to 10 hours a week. like one of my clients recently did. Choose days and times that are distraction-free and when you are high energy. When the kids just got back from school is not a good time. Evenings post very long and stressful day is not a good time. Most importantly, set an alarm to go off reminding you to start. This decreases procrastination, and don't forget to set an end time as well. Once you have completed one room, only then move on to the next, and the next, and the next. And before you know it, your home has transformed. Need a little help, support, motivation, and accountability? Let's work together. We're currently having an incredible promotion, 50% off first month of one-on-one coaching with me. For more information, you can check out the link in the description. If you're brand new to decluttering, you can check out this video next where I walk you through 5 easy steps for decluttering beginners. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey, and remember to be good to yourselves.